Risk Cognizance for Business Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are added in the description below if you want to explore further or schedule a demo. Risk Cognizance is a modern governance, risk and compliance (GRC) platform designed for organizations that need a centralized, real-time view of their risk environment while maintaining compliance with key standards like ISO 27001, NIST, HIPAA, PCI, and others. It's built for CISOs, risk managers, compliance leads, and internal auditors who want to move away from spreadsheets and disconnected systems toward a single source of truth. One of its strongest features is the customizable risk register that lets teams easily log, assess, and monitor risks across departments. The platform includes integrated risk scoring, control mapping, incident management, and automated workflows that guide users through remediation, compliance checks, and audits. Risk Cognizance supports continuous monitoring by integrating with existing IT infrastructure and cloud environments, allowing you to track control effectiveness and stay audit-ready year-round. The dashboard is intuitive, providing real-time visualizations and alerts for pending tasks, control gaps, and emerging risks. It also includes strong reporting capabilities, making it easy to generate compliance documentation or executive summaries for stakeholders. Another strength is its flexibility. The platform allows businesses to tailor frameworks, controls, and assessment methodologies to match their internal processes. Whether you're following NIST CSF, COBIT, or a custom framework, Risk Cognizance can adapt. On the downside, while its customization options are powerful, initial setup and onboarding can be time-intensive, particularly for teams without a dedicated GRC specialist. Also, some smaller businesses might find the platform more robust than necessary if they're not yet dealing with multiple compliance frameworks. Pricing is reasonable for mid-sized to enterprise-level organizations, but might be a stretch for startups unless they're scaling rapidly. Overall, Risk Cognizance delivers a comprehensive, automation-friendly GRC solution that helps businesses reduce risk exposure, streamline compliance, and improve accountability across the organization. It's particularly well-suited for companies in regulated industries or those with complex risk profiles looking to mature their risk and compliance posture without adding unnecessary manual work. If you're ready to take a more strategic, data-driven approach to risk and compliance, Risk Cognizance is worth a serious look. All the details are in the description below.